Hello, kids. Good morning. This is Dona teacher. Okay, and today we are going to start with our phonics book, our word phonics book. Hope you're all with your books at home. Please, if you're not, I would like you to tell your parents to go to school and get it for you. Because as from today, we are going to start using our books. Okay? And today's lesson, we are going to learn something new on page 34. I want you to open your books if you're there, and let's listen to today's lesson. Okay, in this lesson, we are going to learn the sound Q, the sound for the letter Q, and we are going to learn about words with letter Q, some other words that you know. I will give you some examples, and I'll be expecting some from you, an example too. Now, please quickly, I want you to look at this. What's this? What letter is this? We have the letter Q and U. And letter Q and U give us something like the sound KW. Okay? Quar. And we also have the letter SQU. The letter SQU give us a sound like this, and SKW square. Okay? And I want you to listen to the record and repeat the sound. Okay? Please repeat the sound.
N Q U qua qua 1 qua qua queen 2 qua SQU squat 1 squat squat square 2 squat squat squirrel Activity 9. Listen. Q U qua qua 1 qua qua queen 2 qua qua question SQU squat squat 1 squat squat square 2 squat squirrel.
Okay, now let's move to activity 10. You are going to trace the, I want you to go to activity 9, look at the picture once again. You're going to trace the QU, the square in queen, trace the QU, the square in question, and the square in square, and the square in square. Okay? Please do that quickly before we go to the next activity. Now, let's go to activity 11, okay? I want you to listen and write. Listen and write.
Activity 11. Do you hear qu or squ? Listen and write. 1. Liquid, liquid. 2. Quilt, quilt. 3. Squint, squint. 4. Squash, squash.
Okay, now can you see, let's review this. Let's review the answers. And here we have liquid. Liquid, is it QU or SQU? Is it square or square? We have the as in liquid, as in liquid. We have the QU. You're going to write QU. And number 2, we have squat. We have squirts. Squid. We have the, is it the squid or quilt? Quits. We have quilts. Quits. We have QU. You're going to write quits. Okay? That is QUILT. And here we have LIQUID. Liquid. Liquid is something watery, like water. Your oil. And here we have squint. Squint, we have the SQUINT. And 4, we have squash. Squash. SQU, squash. To squash something. So you're going to squash something. That's the meaning of squash. Okay? To match something, to crash. To crash something, like crash. Okay, very quickly, let's go to activity 12. You are going to listen and also repeat. And you are going to unscramble the words and write. Now listen.
Activity 12. Listen and repeat. Unscramble and write the words.
1. Quiz.
2. Squid.
3. Quick.
4. Squirt.
Okay, now it's time to review the answers. What do we have here? We have quiz. Quiz is spelled QUIZ. Quiz. We are having a quiz competition in our school tomorrow, like that. And we have this one. We have the squid. Squid is an animal. You can see squid is an animal. Is squirting a liquid ink. And we have 3 here. We have quick. Like you're running, please run quickly. Quick, we spelled QUICK. And here we have number 2 before I forgot. We have squid. Like I say, squid is spelled SQUID. And number 4, we have squirt. You're squirting the water. You're squirting the water on the floor. Okay? Or to sanitize your hand, you can squirt some water on your hands. So we have the spelling as SQUIRT. SQUIRT. Okay, I have a question for you before I end today's lesson. And number 1 of the question, I want you to bring out your notebooks, either Natalie Teacher's notebook or my notebooks if you have it. And I don't need you to submit the activity, the exercise. When we resume, you're going to show me whatever we're going to be doing here. If you'll be writing in your notebooks. Now, please bring out your notebooks and write the answers to these questions. I'm going to give you the question and you just write the answer. I just need the answers. Write the numbers and the answers. Now, number 1 says, which word? I want you to look at the picture, all the picture from the beginning of this lesson. Okay, look at the picture and tell me. Number 1 says, which word names a shape? Which word names a shape? Write the answer. And number 2, which 2 words name animals in the picture? Which 2 words name an animal in this picture? Number 3, which animal squirts liquid ink? Which animal squirt liquid ink? Look at the picture. Which one is squirting the liquid ink? Write the answer in your notebook. And number 4 says, which animal eats nuts? Which animal eats nuts? Right, that's the answer. And number 5, which word names an important woman? Which word names an important woman in the picture? Number 6, which word is the opposite of slow? The opposite of slow. Which of the word is an opposite of slow in this picture? Let's review the answer. Number 1 is a square. A square is a name of a shape. A square is a name of a shape. And number 2, it says 2 words that name animals in the picture. Here we have a square is an animal, and we also have a squid is an animal. And number 3, we have it says animals squirt liquid ink. Which animal squirt liquid ink? We have it here, the squid. You can see the squid. And number 4, the answer is animal that eats nuts. Animal eating nuts, we have a square. And number 5, we have names of an important woman. An important woman, a queen is an important woman in this picture. And number 6, what is the opposite of slow? Opposite of slow, if you're walking slowly, and what's the opposite? We have quick. Quick here, we have quick. Okay, it's nice having this lesson with you. I hope to see you next time. And like I say in the beginning, if you're not with your books at home, it's better for you to go to school and get your books. Goodbye. See you next time.